If you're here in this video, I'm pretty sure you have been looking for more information about this supplement. You want to know what it is, what it does, how it works. Then you stopped to buy the right video. I'm here to answer all of these questions for you, but also share with you an important alert that you must know before actually purchase it, guys. Then stick until the end of this video, okay? But it was advanced and already left you the link for the official website in the description below. So after watching it until the end, if you still want to know more information about it or really decide to purchase it, the link will be left just below. But first, listen to what I have to tell you, guys. Right here, it's pretty important. Well, the Mitolyn is a dietary supplement that was designed to help people who want to lose weight in a healthy and fast manner. Healthy because the supplement is completely natural. That means it has no chemicals inside of the formula, just natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, essential nutrients, minerals, proteins, and fast because it will work directly on the root cause of a problem. Many people don't lose weight because they don't even know that the mitochondria is one of the cause for the weight gaining. Let me explain you guys. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of our cells. They are responsible for turning all of the fat into energy and not into carbs. That means when you don't have a good mitochondria, your body accumulates fat and turns all of the fat into carbs. So you have that stored fat, stored carbs, in your body. That's because you're not able to lose weight. But when you take Mitolyn, the natural ingredients inside of the formula, they improve the health of the mitochondria that will make this process happen. So all of the fat that enters your body will be turned into energy, guys. Also, the blend of vitamins and essential nutrients will help your organism to function better. So you will have a faster metabolism, better digestive system, gut health, and everything, okay? All you gotta do is be committed to it and take it every single day. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, but I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results you were looking for. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers a money-back guarantee so you can actually test it. And if you don't like or don't see results, they return 100% of your money back. So you will literally have nothing to lose. My only alert is where you're going to get it from because Mitolyn is only available to purchase on the official website. It's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites. So be very careful with this information, guys. That's why I left you the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place in the whole internet that you can buy the original Mitolyn from. Nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, okay? And that's it for today, guys. If you want to see more information or buy the original product, go now to the official website. See you guys around.